Yeah, good evening, everyone. It's nice to be back again. This is Future FX Academy. I'll be going back on our various charts to look at the current state of the market, both on cryptocurrency and forex market, and look at which possible pairs are we looking at in this new week. So, as a result of that, presently I have GBPUSD before me, and majorly when you are running your analysis, you look at the top to down, which means you look at your analysis from higher time frame down to your lower time frame. So with what we have here so far, we see that GBP break the last support area, and the sell continue, which means currently GBP is on a downtrend. Looking at what we have here, you can see GBP is on a downtrend, as you can see. So what are we looking at? The next area where we have a kind of rejection is somewhere around there. Looking at monthly time frame, you have a rejection in these three areas: one, two, and three. So if at all we are looking at any possible move, that means we'll be looking at a possible reversal. We'll be looking at a possible reversal on GBP then we continue with the sell. So it's too much on a downtrend. Similarly, on a weekly, on a daily time frame, so you'll be looking at any possible retracement, that's if we have some kind of rejection around there. We expect it to come to this area, then give us some correction. So this correction can give you opportunity to make some little buy, but with what you have here, you continue to look for a sell opportunity. When it pull back, you join the sell and you continue like that. So that is it on a GBPUSD. What do we have up here? I have our precious metal, which is gold. So gold have really done well in 2022. Gold already giving us a double top. Gold has given us a double top. Gold has given us a double top. It already exceeded my expectation. Gold already exceeded my expectation. Actually, my analysis for 2022 has been achieved in less than 3 months. So I was expecting gold, because looking at what we have here, this current support around there. If you look at the last time gold tested this area was August 2021, and since then gold has maintained a bullish move. And with that, looking at gold in 2022. This is January. So my prediction was that gold will continue the bullish move, that I expect gold to touch this up here in 2022, and in less than 3 months that happened, most especially as a result of Russia Ukraine crisis. So and you look at it, it is a big money that God has provided. God provided big money. That's big money. So now, what's the next thing on gold? After an history has been created, history has repeated itself. Basic. Now, we are looking for what can we sell, what can we buy in gold. Looking at this area, we have a resistance here. Now, this resistance will most likely turn to support. So I'll be expecting gold to give us some further drop. To give us some further drop. So with that, we'll see what we need to do next. It's done that already. It's done that already. Well, if that is the case, then are we looking at a bullish week? Because now after this area has repeated itself, two things will happen. Gold came to this area to make gold came to this area to make a test again, which it has done so on a daily time frame. And you look at the last two candles, we have rejection. So with this rejection now, what we need to look for is a buy opportunity. And currently on our 4 hours time frame, gold is on a bullish move. So if anything if there will be any reaction on gold again, we expect gold to come to this area. So when gold tested this area, it's possible it makes some further drop to this price area. Or it makes a breakout to test the upper side again. To test this area again for the third time. So currently we're expecting gold somewhere around there. Then after that, you see if we break this price area, then we'll be looking forward to this area. Otherwise, if it respected this area, we're expecting gold somewhere around there again. So watch out for this move and you make your money. So currently gold is still bullish. So that is it on gold. What else can I look at? Hmm. Do I have okay? Okay. So AUDJPY. What's happening? Is around a resistance. Is around the resistance area. Is around the resistance area. What are we looking at? You can see this is triple top, right? Look at it carefully. You can see this is triple top. It broke. Yeah. So this is triple top. Looking at it carefully. This is triple top. And from look of things, it is possible, very, very possible that it failed to break the top. So one thing I can say here is that as long as the market have not break this particular resistance, we will always look for a reversal. Now, after this buy move, I'm looking at it, it already come to this price area and they respect it on a weekly time frame. And according to what I see here, there is possibilities that it break above. So generally, I would say, should we wait? Yes, unless you want to take just a risk. Looking at this area, if this movement that I'm seeing here break this particular minor resistance, minor support, if we break this minor support, then if we break the minor support, then we might have something like this. Then it will continue. It will continue. But we have to wait to see whether this will achieve. If we can achieve that, fine. Otherwise, there's nothing we can do. You have to look for a bullish market from this area. From this area, you can join a buy. From this area, you can join a buy from here with a minimal risk management. Just that what I'm seeing here, there is more possibility for market to make further sell. So that's why for you to see clearer, you have to wait, because with all these minor resistance that have accumulated here in form of a ranging market that now led to this breakout, there is possibilities for, so maybe by Tuesday you will see clearly the direction of this particular pair. But it's something that is going to give you big money by the time you get the direction right, because right from your weekly time frame, you can see that, but for any reason, if it's respect this area, you make a lot of money for the market to return back to a bear direction. So, and from look of things, you can see the monthly time frame. So it's around a critical resistance, and with this resistance now forming triple top, you can imagine that the market is now returning back to somewhere around there. This is a monthly time frame. Looking at the market returning to somewhere around there, that's big money. I cannot afford to lose last time. So that is it. So for any reason here, be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. Do you have any divergence? Yeah, it's creating more lows. 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 So let's watch out for possible drop. Let's watch out for possible drop. Very important. It's very important. It's around a critical support. So to sell is more possible than to buy. Very important. Look into that. Yeah, looking at this particular currency pair, I have two possibilities here. The first one has failed, which is this support area, and the second one is the next support. So currently it's on the next support, and I'm expecting the market to return down here. So this is an head and shoulder. Looking at it, this our left head shoulder, this is our head, this is our left shoulder. So all we are looking at here is possible reversal. That's what we are looking at here, possible reversal. As you can see, it is very clear. This weekly time frame. So after it has respected the price level over here, it respects the price level. After respecting the price level, so look at it. So you can see the rejection on a daily time frame. As you can see, so I expect us to take our breath. What you can risk here is very small at this particular level now. So you can place your trade somewhere around there. You can place your trade somewhere around there. Tomorrow, or stop loss somewhere around there, and you take profits. Let me return back to daily time frame to look at the next level. Okay, coming down on a daily time frame. You can have something like this. You can have something like this. So if the market continue to play out as planned, you can have your next position at here. You can have the third one. At this junction, if market play out this way, at this junction, we'll be expecting market to at least come to this area. So it is very important, very, very important, because this is a clear analysis on a weekly time frame. This is a clear analysis. So we're expecting a bullish to return. Looking at this head and shoulder. This is the first initial head and shoulder that I predicted, and this is the second one. So the first one failed, so I'm looking at the second one to play out. This head and shoulder analysis is very easy. So that is it. And currently, cryptocurrency BTC is trying to survive some critical price area here technically. So for your currency pairs, watch out for your watch out for your news. News is very important because anything can happen in the market, especially because of the current ongoing war. So I look at BTC movement so far, and as it is, BTC is trying to form a triple bottom here. BTC is trying to form a triple bottom. If BTC survive this triple bottom, the next move is going to be a massive bear market. It's going to be a massive bear market because a bullish market, because currently is within a correction zone, and from all possible analysis, looking at possible drop on Bitcoin, and for it to test this 35,000 price again, then I'll be expecting BTC to return back to around 50,000, then from there it continue. So we are on the lookout. Let's see Bitcoin movement in this particular new week we are going into. So there's possibilities that April will be a bullish month for BTC. So, and of course, we know what happens when BTC is moving. Majority of the coin follows. It follows. All coins are in bear direction. As you can see, they are in bear shape. So we are waiting for critical points to take our trade. So you can see the coins are in bear direction. The coin are in bear direction. The coins are in bear direction. So There is nothing much to talk about on the crypto for now, except in the news. So you watch out for your news. Look at the current state of the economy in the world, what's happening between the Ukraine and the Russia, NATO, and US government. So with this, we have couples of positive news about US, signing the tax bill for cryptocurrency, which means big private organization will have to join the rest of them in participation on cryptocurrency. So if you have not been participating in the sale of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency generally, you are missing a lot, because this is only how you can make your money in the financial market. So my advice is take the advantage. You understand? My advice is take the advantage. So AUDUSD on a bullish move. So you can look for a good entry around a resistance, around the support area. Though, so just be careful in taking those trades. So see you later. Do not forget to like, follow, and share. So I wish you best of luck in the new week. Shall see you later. Bye.